Hello everyone, this is Preetham and this is my new channel, Preetham's Tech Hub. Well, my curiosity towards technology and how they can be harnessed for the welfare of the society brought me closer to this concept, artificial intelligence. In our projects, we come across artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and many more. Are they the same? If not, what is the difference? I'm going to touch on these points in today's session. So, what is artificial intelligence? It is a high level introduction. So, it is simply the ability of a machine to do jobs that are usually done by humans. In simple words, machines that mimic humans. So, is this a new technology? The buzzword with the sci fi movies? Well, we have played chess when we were children with a computer. And I have never really bet the machine at the game and never even realized that it's nothing but artificial intelligence. It's an emerging technology. However, it's not new. And artificial intelligence can be a human's best friend or a worst enemy. However, it depends on how you look at it. As a project manager, artificial intelligence can help you with work and can save tons of time. Now, what is general intelligence? Well, it is the capability of the mind to influence on all cognitive tasks. So, what is the term cognitive? Well, it is the process of acquiring knowledge through thought, experience, and senses. That's how we acquire knowledge, right? Similar way, the artificial intelligence, it works on speech and facial recognition. And many of these routine, tedious, and repetitive tasks, they can be automated and helps you to focus on high level tasks. So what helps this artificial intelligence? What makes it so efficient? It is continuously digesting data. It identifies patterns, inconsistencies, and outliers, and makes data driven recommendations. Thus, it'll help you to streamline process and makes it more efficient. The predictability, which otherwise wouldn't exist. Now, we have come across strong AI and weak AI. So, what is this strong artificial intelligence? Because we have seen two types of artificial intelligence, how it's divided. So, what is strong artificial intelligence? Well, it's a form of machine intelligence that is equal to the human intelligence. Like it just behaves like humans, has all the characteristics like reasoning, decision making, learning, communicating, etc. Excellent, right? Now, what is this weak artificial intelligence? This is nothing but it focuses narrowly on a task. It cannot independently carry out tasks like we humans, and it depends completely on the humans, like heavily on the humans, and f- it focuses on performing specific tasks such as answering questions based on the user input. So that is weak artificial intelligence. By introducing artificial intelligence, these organizations they can shift their focus from how to what. Instead of doing this repetitive task as to how you need to do it, we can focus on what can be done. So it gives room for innovation. As this can give data drive prediction like deadline, productivity, risk, quality at a very high accuracy. And most of them call this as disruptive technology. Haven't we heard that? Everybody says is artificial intelligence is a disruptive technology. Well, it's time to change the way you look at change. Embrace it rather than fearing it. Be a change agent. Enemy of a change is status quo, and as we know, status quo never wins. It's important to understand the value of artificial intelligence as creativity is stifled by repetitive tasks, and this gives room for innovation, Therefore, it's important to have a very holistic approach to this one. Now, let's go to the next concept, that is the machine learning. It is nothing but it's a subset of the artificial intelligence. It provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience without it being explicitly programmed. And machine learning has been divided into three types, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. So what is supervised learning? In supervised learning, you train the machine using data which is well labeled. You label it and then you feed the machine with the information. In unsupervised learning, you will train the machine using information which is neither classified nor labeled, and it allows the algorithm to act on the information without any guidance. There's no human guidance, while in supervised learning, there is human guidance to it. Now, what is this reinforcement learning? It's a type of machine learning that enables an agent to learn in interactive environment. What do you mean by this interactive environment? It will learn through trial and error method by using the feedback. Amazing, isn't it? Now, what is this artificial neural networks? It is nothing but it mimics the structure of human brain. It's an important processing model that is inspired by the way biological nervous systems such as brain processes information. The learning algorithm of a neural network can it can be either supervised or unsupervised. However, a neural network is said to learn supervised only if it has a desired output which is already known. So we know it needs to, what should be the end result, what should be the desired output. That is when it goes to the supervised learning instead of unsupervised. Now, there are different applications of machine learning which we have seen in our daily life, and we may not even have realized that. They are like image recognition, speech recognition, traffic prediction, the GPS. That is what is the traffic prediction. Now, self driving cars. There's so many more. Now, let's go to the common AI programs. They are robotics, natural language processing, Internet of Things, which we come across almost during the daily lives with these programs. So, what is this robotics? It's the design, construction, and use of machines to perform tasks done traditionally by humans. So, it makes humans' life easy. It performs our tasks just like us. And of late, robotics it's reached enormous improvement, and day by day there is a rapid achievement on that regard. And the natural language processing, what is it? It's nothing but it's the fundamental element of this artificial intelligence. That is something that we all should be aware, because it makes the computer understand, analyze, and manipulate or generate the natural language. So when we are communicating, you can see even on the Google, when we try to search, you're trying to communicate it. So it's natural language processing that is being used. So it is the fundamental concept of the artificial intelligence. Now, what is this Internet of Things? IoT. Rather than Internet of Things, you keep hearing it as IoT. Well, it's the system of interrelated, internet connected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over the internet without any human intervention, which means that the machines communicate with themselves over the internet without human intervention. Wonderful concepts. I know it's breathtaking. That's how the technology is. Though, now let's go over to the next, that is mixing with other technologies. The big data. It's a collection of data that is huge in volume, yet growing exponentially with time. So you can call that as a big data problem. We have the tools to analyze such large volume of data that leads to better decisions and strategic business moves. So that is big data. So it's nothing but voluminous data, which is very problematic, and we're trying to analyze it and get maximum information from that by using various tools. Now, what is data science? It's a concept to understand and analyze actual phenomena with data. So, this is what is data science. Like you try to see, when you get the data, you try to understand what's happening, what is the reason for it. There's a lot of reasoning and analyzing that goes behind it rather than a blind prediction. So, that is data science. And this is a short and crisp video helping you to understand the basics of artificial intelligence. Hope you like this video, and I shall cover the concepts in depth in the upcoming videos. Thank you.